clock is ticking. I'm not just talking about on your divorce or your post-divorce issue or custody case. I'm talking about the big picture. My name is Matt. I've been a divorce attorney for almost 20 years, and I'm a big proponent of mindset management as it relates to when you're going through a family law matter. Ultimately, we've got a certain number of seconds to be thriving, to be happy, to be content, and to make the most of our lives. At some point, that clock starts when we're born. At some point, that's going to end. So to the extent that we need to have a good mindset around the notions of what it takes to be focused on accomplishing our goals, not allowing negativity to get in to interfere with us, and then ultimately to move forward and to thrive in the course of what comes afterwards, how to make the best of our lives. And plenty of people that end up continuing to live in their unhappy married years for the decade after the divorce decree is entered. Instead, I'd much rather see you transition into a happy, better life, one that your kids are going to thrive in, you're going to thrive in, you're going to make the most of it. We're going to do everything we can to get you every one of your goals accomplished. And if you're working with other coaches, other attorneys, perhaps they will too. But ultimately, a matter of making sure that you make the most of what limited time that we have. If you like this sort of content, comments below, like, follow. Thanks.